Okay guys, this is my original Legit Wing V1, the version 1, the very first one that was ever out. I've been flying it for years now and it's been fantastic. I want to do a little bit more long range with it though, because I do get a good 10 to 15 minute flights depending on how heavy my throttle is. So what I'm going to attempt to do today, I might use my Turnigy i10 radio connected as a ground station repeater. Here's the receiver here to my ground station. Here's the receiver that is basically giving me a wireless link to my DragonLink through a PPM signal. Now I got Albert Kim actually helped me out with this, setting this up because I needed to know a little bit more about it. But here's my DragonLink receiver, which I'll be linking it to. Turnigy i10 2.4 going to this receiver here, which is going to be linked PPM to my DragonLink, and the DragonLink to my receiver here. What I have in there right now is a Lemon RX I've been using forever. I have it implanted here, so I need to take this out. And this has a satellite receiver right here. And I'll probably be implanting, sorry about the noise, I'll probably be implanting the DragonLink right here and running the antenna out to the wing tip over here. Okay guys, I stripped my receiver out of this box here, and I took the satellite receiver out of this box. This one I'm going to go ahead and enlarge so it'll accommodate the DragonLink here. And one of the things I might do is actually move the ESC into this slightly embedded box since it's already there. So just turn it like just 90 degrees, go right there, and my leads will still be aiming the proper direction to go into my battery here. I made the cutout for my DragonLink receiver right here, and basically I made the box as wide as I could, but I couldn't make it any deeper, and I didn't really have the proper tools to dig it out. So what I did is I cut out the complete box, pushed it out the bottom, flattened out the spot on the cutout that I needed, and glued it back in place with my newest favorite glue, Goop. And I also took Goop and totally just coated all the sides of this box just to give it a little bit more strength. So that's where we're at. So the next step is just connecting my i10 radio to my receiver here and making sure that all the channels work the way they should. So I did get everything set up here. I've got my DragonLink right here. And there's my antenna going out to my DragonLink, so I'll get a little bit better range. Okay, so basically I just had to reverse order my channels, and if you look here, I have this set up as a wing, and basically they put a propeller in the front, but it's kind of funny. Let me go into the model functions here. So it's airplane structure, so basically I have channel 1, channel 5, and channel 3, and basically I just had to reverse some things there, but I do have up aileron here, right and left, so it's pretty sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and install this receiver. Okay guys, this is the point that I'm at right now. I've taken the servo cable that leads in here, it leads right over here, and basically I routed it to the other side. I have a extension starting here, going here into my receiver bay. And for the ESC, I did make this pocket bigger, and right now I just took Goop and aligned the entire pocket just to make it stronger, and this ESC is going to fit right in there. So it's going to be a real clean finish. Now I had to take some of my laminate off here as I was doing this because it just comes off. So I'll just be putting a layer of laminate over here, of course not over the ESC. But everything's ending up here. I've got my throttle, my first servo, this is my left servo, and this is my right servo. This is a really long cable, so I probably am going to cut this and resolder it a little bit shorter. Alright guys, I'll show you this, the finished product here in just a few minutes. So here is my wing, and I have it fully converted over to DragonLink now. I have my DragonLink receiver here. Okay, so I have my throttle going to 3, aileron into 1, and my elevator going into 5, and that's in accordance with the i10 receiver. And like I said, I've got this little guy set up right here. So all my controls are working. See here. So I have no rate set up, so this is like maximum rates right here. But everything is working. You can trust me that the propeller is working. I won't throttle it up here on my counter. I've got the DragonLink antenna coming right through here. I think it's about a 12-inch antenna, maybe 13 or something like that. Just popped it through here. I might put some tape over here just to make it a little bit more aerodynamic. And this will hang down once I get it in the air and I bend that back in place. ESC is where the receiver used to be, so receiver is obviously over here now. Batteries in its normal spot. I always put a beeper right up here on top of where my GoPro would be. And I have this Banggood video transmitter at 600 milliwatt, and I'm gonna be flying this weekend, so I'm probably gonna change this out to a Spironet antenna, which is just gonna be much better performance. But I tell you guys, this is my original legit wing. I probably have well over 100 flights on this thing, and it's been crashed more than a handful of times, and it just keeps going. It is one great wing. It's very, very tough. If you guys haven't seen my Legit Wing V2R video yet, check that out. That is a brand new wing from Team Legit. I'll send a link down in the description. So, so everything's set up really nice, and hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.